Amazon is a multinational technology company primarily known for its e-commerce, cloud computing, AI, and digital streaming platforms. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, Amazon has grown to become one of the largest and most influential companies globally. To create an account on Amazon in 2024, follow these steps. 1. Visit the Amazon website. Is it www.amazon.com, or download the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Click or tap on the Create an Amazon Account button or Start Here option. 3. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Click or tap on Create your Amazon account. 4. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, phone number, and address. 5. Choose your country and preferred currency. 6. Review and agree to the Amazon Terms of Use and Privacy Notice. 7. If you're at least 18 years old, you'll be asked to provide a payment method. This can be a credit or debit card or an alternative payment method if available. 8. Complete the account creation process by verifying your phone number and email address through the code sent to you. To start your own digital products selling business on Amazon in 2024, follow these steps. 1. Research and identify profitable digital product niches. Start by researching popular digital product categories on Amazon, such as ebooks, online courses, software, and digital media. Look for niches with high demand and low competition. Use tools like Amazon Bestsellers, Jungle Scout, or Helium 10 to find profitable product ideas. 2. Develop your digital products. Create your own digital products or outsource their development. For ebooks, you can use tools like Canva or Adobe InDesign to design and write your content. For online courses, consider using platforms like Teachable or Thinkific to build and host your content. For software, you may need to hire a developer or use no-code platforms like Bubble or Glide. 3. Set up an Amazon seller account. Create a professional seller account on Amazon, which will allow you to sell digital products directly on the platform. There is an annual subscription fee for this account type. 4. Prepare your product listings. Write compelling product titles, descriptions, and bullet points that highlight the benefits and features of your digital products. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your offerings. Make sure to follow Amazon's guidelines for listing digital products. 5. Price your products competitively. Research the prices of similar digital products in your chosen niches and set your prices accordingly. Consider offering discounts, promotions, or bundles to attract more customers. 6. Optimize for search engines and keywords. Use relevant keywords in your product listings to improve your visibility in Amazon's search results. Utilize tools like Keyword Scout or Merchant Words to find profitable keywords. Number 7. Launch your products. Once your products are live on Amazon, consider running promotional campaigns to generate initial sales and reviews. This can help boost your product's visibility and credibility. 8. Manage your inventory and customer service. Keep track of your inventory and sales using Amazon's Seller Central dashboard or third-party tools like Seller App or Inventory Lab. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and reviews to maintain a positive seller rating. 9. Advertise and promote your products. Use Amazon's advertising platforms, such as sponsored products and sponsored brands, to drive traffic to your listings. Additionally, consider promoting your products on social media, your website, or through email marketing to reach a wider audience. 10. Analyze and optimize your business. Regularly review your sales data, customer feedback, and product performance to identify areas for improvement. Use this information to refine your products, marketing strategies, and overall business plan. To send your products to an Amazon warehouse in 2024, follow these steps. 1. Research and choose the appropriate Amazon program. In 2024, Amazon might have various programs such as FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, FBM, Fulfillment by Merchant, and SFP, Seller Fulfilled Prime. Determine which program best suits your products and business needs. 2. Prepare your products. Ensure your products meet Amazon's guidelines for packaging, labeling, and product safety. This may include using appropriate packaging materials, affixing UPC or EAN codes, and following any specific labeling requirements. 3. Create shipping plans. Log in to your Amazon Seller Central account and navigate to the Inventory tab. From there, select Manage FBA Inventory and then Send Replenish Inventory. Create a shipping plan by selecting the products you wish to send to the warehouse and following the on-screen instructions. 4. Print shipping labels. Once you've created your shipping plan, you can print shipping labels for your products. Amazon will provide you with the necessary labels, which should be attached to each package. 5. Prepare your shipment. Pack your products securely and ensure they are properly labeled with the provided shipping labels. If you're sending multiple packages, consolidate them into one shipment if possible to save on shipping costs. 6. Choose a carrier and schedule a pickup. Amazon Seller Central provides a list of carriers, including Amazon's own carrier service, that you can choose from. Select your preferred carrier, schedule a pickup, and provide any necessary tracking information. 7. Ship your products. Once your shipment is scheduled, simply wait for the carrier to pick up your packages from your specified location. 8. Track your shipment. Use the tracking information provided by the carrier to monitor the status of your shipment as it makes its way to the Amazon warehouse. 9. Receive notifications and complete the process. Once your products arrive at the Amazon warehouse, you will receive notifications regarding the receipt of your inventory and any issues that need to be addressed. Follow the instructions provided to complete the process and make your products available for sale on the Amazon platform. Before starting a business on Amazon in 2024, it is crucial to consider the following factors. 1. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify the demand for your products, target audience, and competition. This will help you tailor your offerings to meet customer needs and stand out from competitors. 2. Amazon's policies and guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's selling policies and guidelines to avoid any potential issues that may lead to account suspension or termination. 3. Product selection. Choose products that have high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Consider factors like seasonality, trends, and customer reviews while selecting your product range. 4. Pricing strategy. Develop a competitive pricing strategy that balances profitability with attracting customers. Monitor competitor prices and adjust your pricing accordingly. 5. Branding and listing optimization. Create a strong brand identity and optimize your product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to improve visibility and conversion rates. 6. Fulfillment options. Decide whether to use Amazon's FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBM, Fulfilled by Merchant Services. FBA offers convenience and access to Amazon Prime customers, but it comes with additional costs. FBM allows you to manage your own fulfillment, which may be more cost-effective but requires more time and resources. 7. Marketing and advertising. Implement various marketing strategies, such as Amazon PPC, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing, to drive traffic to your listings and increase sales. 8. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries, addressing issues, and ensuring a positive shopping experience. This will help build a strong reputation and encourage repeat business. 9. Scalability and growth. Plan for future growth by considering inventory management, shipping logistics, and potential expansion into other marketplaces or product categories. 10. Stay updated on Amazon's changes. Regularly monitor and adapt to any changes in Amazon's policies, algorithms, and services to maintain a successful business on the platform. By considering these factors and staying informed about the latest trends and best practices, you can increase your chances of success when starting a business on Amazon in 2024. In 2024, getting payments on Amazon might involve several methods. 1. Amazon Payments. Amazon Payments, also known as Amazon Pay, is a service that allows customers to pay for products and services both on and off Amazon using their Amazon account. 2. Amazon Merchant Services. If you're a seller on Amazon, you can use Amazon Merchant Services to accept payments directly from your customers. 3. Amazon Cash. In the future, Amazon might introduce a cash-based payment system, allowing users to add cash to their Amazon account at various retail locations or through an ATM. This would provide an alternative for customers who prefer not to use credit or debit cards for their purchases. 4. Amazon Cryptocurrency. As cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, Amazon might integrate them as a payment method on their platform. 5. Amazon Financial Services. By 2024, Amazon might expand its financial services to include personal loans, credit cards, and other financial products. This could lead to more convenient and streamlined payment methods for both customers and sellers on the platform. 6. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Advanced AI and machine learning technologies might be used to optimize payment processing and fraud detection, ensuring a smooth and secure payment experience for all users.